Okay, I'm going to show you how I make mine. I pour in some already canned salsa, chili salsa, okay? Then I add mine, which is quite a bit. I put that on high because I want the fond to come off on the bottom. And then I add some, you find a nice salsa verde. And that's going to give it a little bit of a kick with your chili verde. I'll add some seasonings like some cumin. I'll add a little bit of pepper, and maybe I'll even add a little bit more. It's got a lot of onion in it, but I could add a little bit more onion. That's going to give it a more nice umami flavor. There's already onion in there. And then I'm going to add some granulated garlic, excuse me. Okay, so, and then just, stir that up, let that simmer. You have to allow that to simmer until the meat gets really tender. You can cover it. I'm going to probably leave it uncovered because I'll be stirring it constantly, and right away the fond on the bottom, I could tell that the fond on the bottom is being removed. Okay, and you let that simmer, you taste it, make sure that all your ingredients are to your, let me see, let me taste it. I was going to need a little bit more sodium in there, salt, if you want to add the salt, or if you don't, you're on a special diet, don't add the salt. But instead of salt, I like putting in, okay, that's supposed to come apart. I like adding a little bit of the bouillon instead of the salt. So make sure you measure your salt intake, and I just allow that to simmer. And that's going to be, and I leave the bone in, as you notice, because there's a lot of flavor in the bone. Yep, that's what I do. And that's going to be so yummy. Okay, so I'm dribbling it, making a mess. So you adjust your seasonings and you just allow it to simmer. Okay.